Hi everyone, my name is Webb. I'm an admissions counselor here at BGSU.
And hey everybody, I'm Flores. I'm Senior Admissions Counselor here in the office, and we're so happy to welcome you to Preview Day. We've got some important info, so watch out as we help you navigate some of the important details for this weekend.
So once you arrive in Bowling Green on Saturday, traffic will be a little heavy, so expect for some minor delays, but follow the directional arrows that will take you to Lot R and Lot 5 on Mary Street, but don't worry, we will point you in the right direction.
And also don't worry, because you don't even need a parking pass. So once you get into Lot R or Lot 5, you'll board a shuttle bus that's going to bring you right to the Student Union, where we'll help you get checked in for the day.
All right, we are here in the Bowen Thompson Student Union. This is where you will check in starting at 8:30 a.m. on Saturday. There are tons of activities throughout the day. You'll start getting your program in your email now, as well as you'll get a physical copy when you check in that morning.
And Preview Day is full of options. You're going to want to make sure that you read through that program, and it's kind of like choose your own adventure. So make sure you find the activities that you really want to do and you prioritize for the day, because we've got a fun day planned for you, and everything's going to be listed out in that program.
All right, so right now I'm standing in the Bowen Thompson Student Union Ballroom. It's going to look very different when you're here on Saturday, December 7th, but this is where our exhibitor area is. 8:30 a.m. to noon, meet with over 100 academic departments as well as programs, so definitely check it out. So when looking at the schedule, you're going to see that there are specific presentations. We recommend choosing one or two of those and maybe even circling those first so that you know that you can get to those. From there, you'll have the rest of the day to check out the exhibitor area, academic departments, special activities, and things like that.
And so one of the sessions you can attend is going to be scholarships and financial aid if you want to get ahead on that search process and learn about how to apply for those. And it's going to be right here in the theater here in the Union. And so you'll have 4 shots to check out that session today. All right, so we want you to be prepared for the weather, and so it'll be a little chilly outside when you get here. This is Ohio, it is December, and so please dress warmly, be prepared for that, because we've got some activities available to you outside. You can go on a campus tour pretty much all day, but what won't be included on that tour is a residence hall. That's because they have their own separate tours set up for you in McDonald Hall, Cole Hall, as well as Centennial Hall. And so from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., you just stop in at the front desk of that residence hall, and they'll be able to give you a specific tour of that building.
Seniors, we're talking to you now. If you have not applied to BGSU yet, do so today while you are on campus. The entire day, admissions staff will be available in the Student Union to help you apply. It takes only about 10 to 15 minutes, so again, make sure to work that into your day if you have not done so yet.
And seniors, if you've already applied and you're like, yeah, I'm good to go, then you can actually start the process of committing to BGSU by making that initial housing payment. You can come see us, we'll help you through that, get that payment in, and then you'll get one of those exclusive Class of 2024 t-shirts so that you can be a part of that incoming class here at BGSU. There's gonna be a lot going on, but also make sure that you take some time to do some fun stuff on campus, like take a picture with our letters here.
Well, we know that this is a lot of information. You may be going through that schedule thinking, I don't know where all of this is located, and please know throughout the day, we are here to help.
It's a pretty safe bet that any of us in orange can help you out, but we will have 2 locations where the admissions office is going to be in the multi-purpose room and the ballroom, and so come, ask us questions. We'd be more than happy to help you out throughout the day.
We can't wait to have you on campus on Saturday, December 7th, so safe travels. Can't wait to see you, and go Falcons.